Good morning, everyone. And today we'll start a new chapter, that is The Patriot, written by Robert Frost. Who is Robert Frost? Robert Frost was a Victorian poet. Victorian poet means when Queen Victoria used to rule England, that time this gentleman used to write. He was a man of great science and he understands the human psychology very well. And his poetries reflect the human sentiment to the greatest level. He used to write in the late 19th century, and previously we had a poem. Now we have Robert Browning in ICSE. In previous book, that means 2 years back or 3 years back, we had Elizabeth Barrett Browning, his wife. His writing we had that time. That in this very poetry Patriot, we are going to see the journey of a man. Instead, let us say countryman, who contributed, devoted his entire life to the service of your country. He did not fail to do anything a man can do. He did everything that a man can. But ultimately, he suffered due to his overwhelming ambition. Why I am telling this is a special poetry? Because this does not have the general shape of poetry. Instead, it does have the shape of a novel or of a drama. So, this poetry is very, very important as well as interesting. In this particular poem, what we are going to find that this is a monologue. That means this is a single speaker poem. It seems the speaker is speaking to someone. Actually, he speaks to the reader. There is no second speaker. So, this is a monologue. And we have the tragic end of this poem. We do have a tragic end in this poem. At the beginning, we are going to see that Patriot will be welcomed by the people in a grand manner, in a ceremonial way. But as the time progresses, what we are going to find that he will get transformed into a villain in front of the people. People who used to love him so much, now throwing stones at him. So, the transformation and the fragile condition of human sentiment are properly mentioned here in this poem. Few other poems written by Robert Browning are famous poems. He has written many poems. Famous poems are Fra Lippo or Porphyria's Lover, Last Ride Together. But this poem is a special one. The title signifies someone who is a dedicated one to the country. He tried to do everything that a man can do. So he was loved by everyone. He was welcomed in a grand manner. He was loved in a grand manner. But as the time progresses, it was found that he had done many errors. And later on, he would be punished. And he will be hanged to death or he will be executed. And those people who are showering flowers on him, they will be gathering at the gallows, at the place of execution, to see how easy getting the punishment, how easy receiving the punishment. At the end of the poem, he will say that he will be saved in the custody of God. He has got the punishment, though he has not done anything criminal, punishable, but he has got the punishment, and surely God will give him a secure shelter. So there will be no more fear later. So we have to go through the poem very slowly yet steadily, because the poem contains plenty of figures of speech. Further, the poem contains imageries as well as symbols and very one or two mythological incidents, one biblical and one Greek mythological ideas we have here. So we have to understand this one very carefully. Do go through this video properly, and this is the introduction. So I will not raise any question, neither ask any answer for me. From the next video, we will slowly complete cantos, or we can complete the chapters. It is divided into 6 or 7 parts. So we will complete this one into chapters. Okay. Hope you will enjoy this poem. Thank you very much.